Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior, a salt pattern trim, panel sunroof, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, convenience package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, push start and ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This CLA has 25,725 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 CLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.